1 second, so 100, and I'm going to show you my signature collection for webkits. So yeah, I got the chimpanzee, the panda, 2 signature raccoons that came today, and 2 signature golden retrievers. Yeah, I know this video wasn't long, but yeah, I'll go ahead and tell you their names. This one is Rascal. This one is Oakleaf. This one is Irvin. This is Lynn. This is Sam. And this one is Sunshine. Yeah. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos this week, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.